Ribotera Inoro TV jitagwo Jenga Wabui.
Tukitigana na icio guku bara igithie na mbere na gucaca gatagati ga bururi wa Iran na USA na kiaga gukugumira mabũrũri ma Middle East wendia wa macani ma Kenya ni utanyitwo kuhutio na njira nene kwambiriria kiumia giukite. Uhoro uyu uheanitwo ni murugamiriri munene wa ngwataniro ya onjoria a macani kuma Afrika ya irathiro neo IATA George Omuga ari Mombasa akiuga kuona njira ya meri mwena wa Hormuz ne hige macani maria Kenya yendagia Iran matirathi.
The Middle East is one of the major importers of Kenyan teas, and we believe that this war will negatively impact the tea trade because this week's auction was not adversely affected because the traders did not know how long this war will take. But in case the parties involved in this conflict does not come to a negotiation table diplomatically and cease push for a cessation of hostilities, the tea trade will be adversely affected. Because now you are aware that Iran has closed the Strait of Hormuz, which is one of the major export corridors. So with the disruption of logistics, the shipping cost will spiral, will more than double because ships will be taking longer routes, and that will negatively impact the trade. At the same time, Middle East, that is a major consumer and importer of Kenyan tea, like UAE buys 5% from Kenya. They import 5% of tea from Kenya. And the other Middle East countries, they averagely consume cumulatively over 20% of the teas we sell through this auction. So with that conflict going on, it means from next week, the auction will be very inactive. There will be little participation in the auction. So many teas that will be offered in the auction next week will come out as outlots because of lack of interest, and this will push down the auction prices and negatively impact the smallholder farmers' earnings. So these countries, because they're Muslim-dominated countries, they consume more tea than alcohol. So they're major consumers of tea. So by disrupting the trade in these countries, I believe that the tea trade, not just in Kenya alone, but even within our membership, will be adversely affected.
Na baya MCAs